Why D is the best product to treat bed bugs. Ever struggled with bed bugs? Today, I'm here to show you why Diatomaceous Earth, DE, is hands down the best solution on the market. Here are the incredible benefits of DE that other bed bug products can't match. DE is non-repellent. Bed bugs aren't deterred by DE. They walk right onto it without a second thought, making it incredibly effective. Fast-acting. Typically, DE takes about 10 days to kill bed bugs. But with our innovative design, they're immobilized in 24 hours. Infiltrates nests. Bedbugs carry the DE powder back to their nests and decimate the entire infestation at the source. Long-lasting. Unlike other chemical treatments, DE continues to kill bedbugs forever, unless it's removed. That's long-term protection you can count on. Odorless. No nasty smells. DE is completely odorless. Non-toxic. Say goodbye to harmful poisons. DE is non-toxic and safe for use around your family and pets. No resistance. Bed bugs can't build up a resistance to DE. This means it will always remain effective. It has been scientifically tested with a 100% mortality rate. That's why we use DE in our bedbug barriers. Bed bugs unwittingly walk straight into it, becoming dust-coated and immobilized. Check out the bed bugs inside our barriers. They're coated in the powder and can hardly move after just 24 hours. DE is your ultimate weapon against bed bugs. It's non-repellent, fast-acting, infiltrates nests, provides long-lasting protection, is odorless, non-toxic, and bed bugs can't build resistance to it. With DE, you can rest easy knowing your bed bug problem is a thing of the past.